So we're in Sriracha and we're in the market. So with my friend, he's going to take a look at some stuff and we'll show you a little bit of what the Sriracha market looks like. 2023, COVID is over and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're going to be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok. So stay tuned and check it all out. So we're in Sriracha and kind of seeing what's around here. Sriracha is between Bangkok and Pattaya, and it's a kind of a coastal town south of Bang Sen. And the Sriracha, the sauce comes from here. I'm gonna kind of follow him and see if he does anything interesting.
Market, pretty cool. Lots of veggies.
Shoot.
Got some peppers here.
Oh.
Peppers.
Amazing.
Dare me eat it all?
Yeah, I do.
Alright. All kinds of peppers here. Check these peppers out. All kinds of.
Sriracha style.
I think these are probably the hottest ones.
Okay. Put about 10 in your mouth if you can. And I'm gonna film the reaction.
Nah, I'm okay.
I'm willing to buy them.
That's okay. Okay, open cup. Open cup.
So that's Sriracha, the market. So we just kind of show you what's around here a little bit. So we're kind of in an interesting town. It's very not many tourists.
You got the old over here, these kind of old, kind of cool buildings, and then you got a lot of new ones over here. These big condos over there. You got more old over here.
There we go. We're gonna walk around this way.
Okay. I do want to get back on that other street. I think there's some cool stuff down there too.
Yeah, I think that.
Walk around.
Yeah, I think when I looked at the map earlier, the core is this direction.
Yeah.
So should be lots of cool stuff everywhere.
There's a cake shop down there. Would be interesting. I'm curious what kind of special cakes they have here.
Look at this building.
Yeah. Chinese temple.
Oh yeah, quite a few Chinese temples in this area. Is that this thing?
Wow, that's interesting. Wow.
Another vegetarian one, so.
Right, I guess maybe the temples make sense.
Yeah. Okay, here's that one temple that you saw earlier. I think when you look down at one street.
Oh yeah.
Pretty interesting town. So there's the temple right there. Follow this guy. He's
more vegan stuff. I'm surprised that this one's vegan. It's J and Thai. I'm surprised. I guess there's a lot of temples around here. That's probably why.
yeah. Okay, so this is a taste of Sriracha. kind of walking around, checking out the market, and I think this is back into the market again. If we went back into here again, so I can for a moment. So we were kind of in this area, but he's kind of moving along quick, so we'll have to try to see what pace he's setting our pace for us. He's anyways, the market's right here, so we're actually back in the market. All kinds of stuff. We'll walk in. I'll try to catch up to him in a moment, but for the video's sake, I got to get in here a little bit. I'm going to go down and catch him over there. So that actually was kind of cool. So we basically walked around in a little bit, and we were back at the market again, which is good for this video. Sriracha. Hey Lance, they might even have some Sriracha sauce.
Spicy sauce, could be it. Could be it. There's vegan sauce here.
Oh.
I'm surprised. Let the cup.
You might even you buy that for the house sometimes?
Yeah, for sure.
No smoking. It's a nice building. The way the building's designed, there's a nice air conditioning, nice flow of air that comes through here. Desserts. So we're kind of moving along quick, and we're gonna we'll turn the camera around and do the ending part here in a moment. So that's the Sriracha market. All right. That's another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them.
Oh, my